Bullish Ellipsis money cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 91 cents and $1.98 by 2030. Market experts accept EPS could reach 91 cents by 2025. Bearish Ellipsis money market cost expectation for 2022 is 16 cents. Ellipsis money presentation. Ellipsis money sent off in 2021 to permit financial backers to safely trade tokens on the Binance Savvy chain with little slippage. It has as of late begun executing another move up to keep accomplishing this objective by including its token EPS relocating to another digital money under the ticker EPX. EPS is as of now mobilizing. Yet could this mean certain death for the street for the obsolete token? Furthermore, what's the significance here for an Ellipsis cost expectation? It's critical to explore whether EPS might actually become useless because of this new turn of events. Assuming this is the case, then any Ellipsis value forecast would become invalid and void. All things considered, how could anybody need to put resources into a stage whose local token is not generally utilized or upheld? While EPS might be revitalizing now, it's conceivable that once EPX emerges, everybody will jettison EPS as a group for the new cash. The reality of the situation will surface eventually whether this occurs. Notwithstanding, it's something that would merit considering prior to making any kind of Ellipsis cost expectation. What is Ellipsis money? Ellipsis money has a ton of potential since it permits clients to trade coins on the Binance Brilliant chain. The environment utilizes a pool framework like PancakeSwap and Uniswap, making it safer and less slippage. Financial backers can stake tokens into these pools, which give liquidity to clients needing to trade their token. The venture has a great deal of potential since it depends on the Binance Brilliant chain. This gives it preferable security and lower slippage over different stages. Furthermore, the pool framework permits financial backers to give liquidity to clients needing to trade their token. Ellipsis will profit from the help of the Ben Money Group, which has a demonstrated history in building trustless, decentralized conventions with zero charges. The group's obligation to proficiency and security makes them ideal accomplices for Ellipsis. The Ben Money convention is based on top of the Ethereum blockchain, which gives it a few benefits over different conventions. First and foremost, Ethereum is the most well-known blockchain stage on the planet, with a huge and dynamic designer local area. This implies that more instruments and assets are accessible for designers hoping to expand on Ethereum than on some other stage. Besides, Ethereum is substantially more versatile than other blockchains, meaning it can deal with additional exchanges each second than its opponents. At last, Ethereum has many existing applications that can be incorporated with Ben Money, making it an unquestionably strong convention. The EPS token. The EPS token is the way into the Ellipsis money environment. Financial backers can acquire charges from the stage's trading highlight by marking it. At the point when tokens are gotten into liquidity pools, financial backers are likewise qualified for a portion of benefits in EPS. This makes the symbolic vital to the working of Ellipsis money. Its local token additionally has different purposes. For instance, it very well may be utilized to decide on administration choices made by the group. This guarantees that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. It additionally permits financial backers to engage with various parts of the venture, like advertising and advancement. Generally speaking, the EPS token is a vital piece of what compels Ellipsis money exceptional and fruitful. Its various purposes imply that becoming one of the world's driving cryptocurrencies is strategically set up. This framework is intended to boost long-haul interest in the stage, as financial backers who stake their EPS tokens for the full 90 days will be compensated with extra tokens. Nonetheless, it makes an expected boundary for clients who might have to rapidly get to their assets more. Accordingly, it is essential to consider whether this stage is ideal for your requirements prior to putting away any cash. Ellipsis current cost. Ellipsis money is right now worth 20 cents USD. EPS has moved 4.18% as of now with an exchanging volume of $289,797. Ellipsis money is as of now positioned 420 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $41,071,722 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Ellipsis money market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Ellipsis money value expectation 2022. Ellipsis money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The EPS cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 30 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 28 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. EPS is supposed to have a base worth of 24 cents. Ellipsis money value expectation 2023. In 2023, Ellipsis Money EPS cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of EPS will before long outperform 50 cents. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the EPS's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, EPS will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 40 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 44 cents. Ellipsis Money Value Forecast 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 70 cents and EPS might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. EPS is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 64 cents and a low of 60 cents in 2024. Ellipsis Money Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Ellipsis Money effectively helps market opinion among digital currency lovers, the EPS coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, EPS will be green in 2025. The EPS is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 91 cents, with a base cost of 80 cents and a typical cost of 85 cents. Ellipsis Money Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the EPS cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.05 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.01 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, EPS has a greatest value worth of $1.11. Ellipsis Money Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.26. On the off chance that EPS figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.32. Neglecting to accumulate the help EPS needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.21. Ellipsis Money Value Forecast 2028. While EPS is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1.42 and a yearly cost close above $1.52 in 2028. Ellipsis Money Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Ellipsis Money will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.62 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.72, averaging out at $1.66. Ellipsis Money Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest EPS cost in 2030 is projected to be $1.